parking lot, trailer docks, visitor's entrance. Lobby. Walkway. Shipping dock. Receiving dock. Dock doors. That's our cardboard trailer. Walkway up the main path. Employee entrance here. Component prep area and racks. Back to the marked walkway here. Warehouse racks. Step one of the process, disassembly. Those guys are on break right now, but this is where the batteries are disassembled. Once they're broken down into the raw modules, they go here to pre-screening. Once they pass through pre-screening, any scrap modules will go onto the red scrap pallet. Good modules will move on to module grading. 5 module grading machines there. One of them is being worked on right now. Once they go through module grading, they'll come over here to module enhancement. And then once they've been enhanced, there's a 6-day waiting period, and then they'll go into the robot. And once in the robot arena, here's the control software. A little low on modules right now. Then we'll call for a pack of modules, and the robot will output them onto the output belt here. And then the contributor will pull them out and use an Excel program to verify that the robot has pulled the correct modules and they match. And then they'll go through, check them, number them, and then they'll put them into this squeezing fixture so that they can pack them, which is what you saw. These are the ones waiting to be checked, and you can see what they look like once they're packed. And then from there, they go to the car test, which is in our dyno room. Got all of our fleet test vehicles in here. And the raw pack of modules will come over here to this fixture on the car. This fixture drops down and attaches to the modules, and then you can start the car, and you'll scan the traveler, which looks like this, into the software. And we don't have it running right now. We're not doing any testing at the moment, but then it will run through the dyno test. There's a dashboard that shows you all of the tests that have gone on today. And then if it passes, then it will come back to assembly. here the assemblers will take the passed pack and they will start attaching all of the sheet metal and wiring, relays, and so forth that go back on the battery to make it a complete unit again. So you can see there are different batteries here in various states of assembly. These guys are also on break right now as well. So these are the assembly stations here. And then once the assembly is completed, then it goes over here to a quality inspection and charging area. We'll hook them up to the what we call the smart charger, and it charges them and monitors how well the modules are matched. And then there's a high pot leak test that is performed afterwards. Test with 2000 volts AC to see if the battery can withstand electrical leak or withstand a high amount of current and not have an electrical leak. And then it goes to here, what we call the blue lane. You can see all these units here have been tested and are waiting for inspection at the blue lane. So actually I skipped it. After the smart charger, they go back to the car for one more function test. So you can see on the Traveler we have the different places that we fill out. So you can see this one was actually assembled by one of the other plants, which is why this part's empty. But then we do the smart charger, the leak test. This one actually still needs to go to the car, and then after that it'll get a QA right here. So once that's done, they'll come down here to finish goods. And so this is where we put on all the stickers and everything that makes the battery ready to go into a customer's car. So you can see here, Caesar's got one. It's all finished. See, it's got your high voltage stickers. It's got a sticker on there telling you what kind of cells are inside. And at this point, you can see that someone has filled out the final assembly and it has been checked for QA inspection. Now, once he ships it, he'll put the shipping information here, and then someone will do one more final QA audit at shipping to make sure that everything is as it should be for the customer once it's in the crate over here. And then we close it up and it ends up over there on the dock to be picked up. And that's the Sanford process, Sanford plant.